Hello everyone, my name is Aldika Bagus Ananta, and in this video I will explain to you about my project proposal for PSM1, and I have named my project title as Mobile Investment Platform for Buying Goods and Services, and currently I'm being supervised by Dr. Masita binti Ghazali. So to start my explanation of this proposal, we need to get into the problem background and solution. So to start, I will explain the problem background. In this industrial era, factories and companies need constant upgrades and addition of materials and tools to be used for production. But sometimes this necessary upgrade is being held by the factories unable to buy straight from the supplier due to several reasons. And fortunately, there is a way around this with using the services of good supply company. And my stakeholder, PT Berkawis Hasanabisa, can accommodate this factory's need to buy and purchase those needed materials and tools straight from the supplier. Now, unfortunately, PT Berkahasana faces several problems in their business process, let's just say. Because to gather all the funds to buy the materials and tools, they need investors, and currently they have to approach their investor manually, face to face, and of course, approaching investor face to face does take times and also place, and it is absolutely laborious. Now, there is a lack of medium to attract potential investor to inject funding for the good supply company or PT Berkahasana, and it causes several problems. The problems are the need to communicate or investor for every new project, and investor cannot widely choose which product to invest in, and also slow growth of investor, and many potential investments are lost due to the time and place needed to be have to just approach one investor. Now, from this problem, there is a need for a platform to show clients about the project available for them to invest in. Now, my proposal of the solution is a mobile investment platform for buying goods and services. The system will be a mobile application that clients can use to view ongoing projects that they could invest in. And the system will show clear information towards the user so that there will be no doubt from the user towards the goods supply company. In this growing process, crucial information such as total required capital for the project and project progress are displayed in the app itself. Clients that have invested will be shown their liquid fund estimate and profit sharing, and they will receive that uses Sharia law. Equivalent right and return of investment is intended for the investor to create trust. Investor can compare the rate of return to interest trust. Now, of course, the objective of this system is to develop, of this proposal is to develop a mobile application that attracts potential investor on available projects and shows clear information on investment progress and potential. And then to design and develop a business project private funding system that is able to show investor all information on projects they invest in. And lastly, to conduct testing and validate the purpose system as stated by the requirement. The scope of the system itself will have four parts. The first part is intended user, our investor of PT Berkahasana Bisa Bersama, my stakeholder. Second, the system will not allow in-app payment, as currently it will only shows all the projects that the user are able to invest in due to the restriction of app purchase in my country, Indonesia, which need to be approved by the local authorities. And third, mobile application focuses on Android system. And fourth, mobile application is not open to public. This mobile application is certainly aimed towards the investor of PT Berkahasana. And currently, as I mentioned before, because of the inability of in-app purchase, right now it's only focuses on existing and future clients of PT Berkahasana. Now, the project requirements. There are several tools that are necessary to create this project. First of all, the software, because it is being focused on Android, there are two parts. There are IDE that I choose, Android Studio and Visual Studio Code. And the hardware will be my own laptop, mobile phone for the emulator, and also the interconnection. The technology used to develop this program is Flutter, Dart, and Bootstrap for developing the system in the mobile app itself. And the network element will be client-server network with an admin view. The security element, as it still is being a closed app, it is currently only being it's only using user authentication. This whole project title is aimed or surrounding the business investment part. As my client, as my stakeholder, is they want an app that could hold all the project they are currently holding on, and want their investor to know which projects they can invest in, and it will be beneficial for the PT Berkahasana and the client itself, as if the project were to be successful, both parties will gain some sort of funds or some sort of money. I think that's all that I can explain about this project, as I have briefly mentioned about the problems, the solution, which is the system itself, the objective, which are focused on the project itself, and the scopes of the system. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.